The National Assembly's first extraordinary session reconvenes for its second phase today. And after a recess period allowing the National Assembly's agencies, the government and relevant bodies to review, revise and finalize draft laws and resolutions, our reporter Mai Heng has more from the National Assembly House.
The first phase of the first extraordinary session ran for 11 days straight and tackled the majority of the 33 agenda items for the session, most notably the draft law on urban development, the establishment of Quảng Ninh and Bắc Ninh as centrally governed cities, and the revised proposal for the Lào Cai-Hanoi Hải Phòng railway project. Now reconvened after a brief recess, the second phase will turn to policy directions for revising the 2024 land law, the 2023 law on housing, and the law on real estate business, the consolidated law on state budget, and the merger of 4 national target programs. Later this week, deputies will revise the criminal code, the criminal procedure code, and the law on organization of criminal investigation bodies before moving to floor votes on these draft laws and amendments.